some treats! Nasaan na po ang aking mga anak? Clear na po sa inyo na wala na po sa poder. Mas importante yung gusto ng mga anak ko, yung privacy nila na hinihingi. Hello, Blenders! Good morning! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Kakagising lang po namin. And we need to clean up. Come, you put this there. You clean up there. Come, you arrange your what is this?
You have to arrange your side and I have to arrange my side.
You arrange that one, yours, and then I will arrange mine. Okay? Nagutom na po si Arya. Gusto na daw niyang mag-breakfast. Pero sabi ko, no, we need to arrange our bed. Very first thing na gagawin mo pag gising mo pa lang, ay i-arrange mo na agad para mamaya. Good job. We give air to your hair. Ay, so, we bring our things lang ga. Nag-inom kami ng tea kahapon. Can you bring this yours? Ano? This is yours. Here? Your cup. Can I bring this? Or can you bring two? Because I'm gonna bring the bigger one. We have a very fresh, natural ginger tea kagabi. Bago natulog with lemon. Ayan, grabe, ang sarap. Gusto ko pang gumawa today. Very healthy po ito, especially ngayong lamig. Marami pong nagkakasakit. Oh, look ka. Ang bait ng ating anakin. Thank you, Lovey. Wait, I can open
Why
the
are
door.
they both empty? But why mine is also empty?
Yan, saka na tayo kay mag-breakfast. So, ano po i-breakfast natin today? Binibigyan ko siya minsan ng rice. Pero ayaw niya, sabi niya, I need a right breakfast. A proper breakfast yung sabi niya. Hoy! Ginoo ko! Bong-bong, ganyan si Arya. Si Arya? Si Jaira. Ano? Ginoo ko ni si Jaira. Nabalat of muta daw. Where's your house shoe lagi? I'm always telling you to put your... always wear your house shoe. Yung house shoe po sa German, sa English, bahay na bato. bahay na sapatos. Ano yun sa German? Ay, sa English? Sa Tagalog?
And
Bahay kubo.
where are you going?
Bahay, ay ni, pambahay na sapatos.
Where
Ayun.
are you going?
So, should we have some
Like,
toast?
where are you going later?
You want toast bread?
No. I'll toast bread with egg.
Okay. You want with egg?
Yeah, I want with egg.
Okay.
But scrambled egg.
Can you please wear your house shoe again?
I don't know where's my house shoe.
Come on. Or maybe in the cabinet?
Mama, I just found it.
Kasi naman di-on. Karoon lang.
Mama, I just found it.
Ha?
Mama, I just found it.
Azupa. Can you get... Asa man? Ah, man ang egg. Wala na?
Sobo.
Can you get the egg lang ka in the refrigerator? Please.
Okay.
Thanks. I will come with you because I need the mother. I'll turn off. Your
Wait.
What?
I want to sing.
Okay.
Dora. Okay. You're a part-time lover and a full-time friend. The monkey on your back is the latest trend. I don't see what anyone gets me and anyone else. But I kiss you on the brain and shadow of the train. I kiss you on the plane. My body thinks the saddest. Don't see it. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my.
Oh, sausage! I love this. Oh.
So scrambled egg or sunny side up egg or
Scrambled egg.
no way.
What?
Hi.
What? What? What?
Like that.
Oh.
Wait, it's not working.
I think in the other side.
Oh, goy. It's not. Seconds.
Dora, part-time lover and a full-time. I already sang that before, so
Yeah?
I'm not have to sing it again.
Oh here, oh here.
Dora.
Are you here?
Look, what?
Are you here? Use the vlog.
Dora. Part-time lover and a full-time friend.
So we're gonna refill. Mag-refill tayo ng tea. Yan. Kagabi ito, so piso talaga. Kaya na overnight siya. Masarap ito ngayon. Yan.
The tea. What?
I'm gonna drink some tea.
You want to drink something? You want to drink something?
Yan siya, oh.
Boss? You want to
Boss.
drink some tea, sister? You are sisters, but he has taller than you, Mama.
And we are,
Brothers!
No!
we are,
Brothers and moms. Finish.
No, I thought you're your kind brother and
And Tita Yang is your sister.
yeah. Who are my sisters? Do you know my sisters?
Tia, Tita Yang. I forgot.
No more. That's all.
and mommy.
I only have 2 sisters. And you? How many sisters?
You have 3 sisters now.
No one.
She has 3 sisters now.
Me?
Yes. You forgot? Mommy can.
And you? How many sisters you have?
One.
Who?
Chloe Anita.
Complete. Complete name, Chloe Rita. And how many brothers you have?
2.
2. Okay. So we're gonna drink our tea. Yan po, very fresh, natural, walang halong chemical na tea.
Malaki chemical mati.
Oh, so... Oh my God, guys.
Butter. Oh,
Arya
I
is-
don't like this butter. Bye-bye, butter.
Arya speak now because she has a termin
Mama, is this-
appointment.
Fresh cheese?
I know that is, what is this? Margarine.
Margarine.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
mister.
alam nyo ba na malaki na po si Arya dahil meron po siyang termin or appointment today sa school. Kung saan po siya mag-school. It's like elementary. Ang tawag ko sa kanya ngayon ay
Did you
Forshulkin.
say yesterday in the bathroom
What
for
is
the whole
Forshulkin?
time?
Yung ready to Forshulkin.
Look at this one. Kasi yung
Before school kin. Parang ganun. Forshulkin. Pa-help naman dyan sa mga Filipino na marunong mag-German. Forshulkin. Ano po yan sa Tagalog or English?
How now?
Ikaw, Jai, alam mo yan?
How now?
Forshulkin.
upat ka.
Uy!
How much?
Stop.
What?
Are you here, Apros?
Gigil ko sa iyo, Day.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
kind of hot.
Yes, don't drink directly. Yeah. Pros, let's have some tea early morning. It's very good for your health and it's natural, walang halong chemical.
No, why is it so small?
Oh, it's not so hot, Langga. It's okay.
Dora, part-time lover. Dora, part-time lover and a full-time friend. The monkey on your back is the latest trend. I don't see any monkey. You're a part-time lover and a full-time friend. The monkey on your back is the latest trend. I don't see anyone. Anyone knows. I can see on the brain in the shadow trees. I can see all stars and my body swing beside us. I don't see it anyone see anyone else. Here's the church and here's
So, gagawa po tayo ng scrambled egg. Ang request ni Arya. We have here BU egg. Kasi, ay, ang totoo ba na BU dito sa Germany? Ano ba? Ang totoo na BU sa Germany, meron ng ganito, mga star. I like 6 stars. More than 6, yan. Yan daw po. Ito ay tested and proven na.
Oh, Tia, look. Dora, part-time lover.
Excuse me.
Mama, can I crack the egg? Can I crack the egg, please? I love cracking eggs.
Should have crack up. Be careful.
How
You're
is
just...
it not working?
Nine. I will teach you. Not that one here in the side. That's all. Okay. Go.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and... Yeah. Go. Only one. Only one time. Then open. Don't open like that. Just open it like now. Wait. One more. Here this one. Okay. Go. And good. Then wait. I will give it tissue. Here. Don't put it back there. Yeah.
One more?
Yeah. How many much? How many more? how much many?
Oh.
Like, good? Oh, it's the wrong side, but it's okay. Go. Yeah! Can? How many much? 3.
3.
How many more?
3.
Okay, good. So we're gonna make some 3 scrambled eggs. I prepare the pan.
Oh, I just got a Dora, part-time lover, full-time friend. Mama, I need a picture. I'm done.
Mag-scrambled egg tayo and meron tayong tuna fish dito. Ihalo ko din po siya sa egg mamaya. Si Ari alam niya pagbibigyan ko ng rice. Pag morning, sabi niya, this is not a proper breakfast. Ang proper breakfast sa kanya, bread. Bread or egg, ganyan. So, iba-iba na talaga yung mentality ni Ari. Although, mukha talaga siyang Pinoy, na Filipino. Pero nasanay na po siya na yung pagkain ay hindi po 3 times rice. Sa kindergarten, for example, kasi free lunch sila doon. Hindi naman siya free, kundi nagbabayad kami ng lunch niya at breakfast sa kindergarten. Ang pagkain nila ay hindi po palaging rice. May noodles, kartoffel, or potato, minsan soup, mga ganun. So, wala pong masyadong rice. Siguro, I don't know kung once a week may rice, pero maybe mga twice a month. Ayan. Makakatikim sila ng rice. Pero yung, iba yung luto ng rice nila. Kasi yung rice nila dito, nilalagyan nila ng panglasa, nilalagyan nila ng beans, mga ganun. Ano pa yung rice nila? Hindi, plain. Ayan. Here's now Arya's
I
breakfast.
said cacao.
You said milk.
No, I said cacao.
Okay, then I will do cacao again. So this is Arya's breakfast. You like it? Okay.
I love egg.
Let's eat now.
Scrambled egg.
It's open. You wanna open?
Yeah.
Okay. Open the roller. Let's have some breakfast. And there's a sun but not really shining. Pero last night po, grabe po yung moon. Full moon last night. Napakaliwanag sa labas.
You know.
Yeah, I saw it. Ah, it's a nice weather. Thank you, Lord.
Huh?
Let's eat. Nasa labas na po kami. Careful, Arya, careful. And dito na po kami sa labas. At sasakay na si Arya. Here, Angga. Go. And she's big girl daw, kaya siya nagdala ng kanyang bag. Pareho po kaming dalawa, naligo kanina. Kaya yung mga buhok namin medyo mabasa-basa pa konti. Maisie, you put lotion in your hand. Yan. Kasi masyadong dry na yung mga kamay niya. Ang cute naman ng bata namin. Thanks.
How many stops?
Like 8 stops. Nakababa na kami ng tram. Bus, tapos tram. And then, tingnan nyo nga siya, oh. Gusto niya yung kaputsi niya. Come, baby. Ayan, dadalhin ko na naman yung anak ko sa aking trabaho kasi wala pong kindergarten ngayon. Close. Dahil may mga meeting. It's normal naman dito na may mga time na mag-close yung kindergarten. Paulit-ulit lang po yung buhay natin, yung ating everyday life. Na mag-kindergarten, work, tapos kuha na naman sa kindergarten, or minsan kukunin ko siya. Are you okay? Or minsan dadalhin ko siya sa work kapag walang kindergarten. And ay, gusto pala naming mag-visit sa mga bata, sa mga anak ko ba? Kinatipoy at natan, kaya lang unfortunately tinamaan po sila ngayon ng sakit. Dahil po sa sakit means sick, yeah? They're sick. Your kuya, I know, not kuya. Si Steven lang pala, Steven, Chloe, and Tita Lynn, yes. Buti na lang.
Mom, why the scooter is falling
Oh
down?
yeah, because of the wind. No,
But
malakas.
how is that not falling off?
The other one, I don't know. Malakas din po ang hangin dito. Tingnan nyo, natumba-tumba yung mga scooter, oh. Dalawang scooter na tumba. Medyo malakas din po. At normal lang po yan kapag herbs, you know, autumn. Malakas din po dito mga hangin. At malakas din ang ulan minsan. Oh, it's okay. We can drink water later, okay?
Mama, say it in English or else I want to see our videos and then I don't even understand.
It's okay. So you will also learn Tagalog or Bisaya. You wanna learn?
Mama, no, I want to.
Okay, then I have to talk in English. Better when you have your own channel that we talk all English, no Tagalog. Yeah? Okay. So, look, Arya, so cute. I love your, what is that? Hoodie? Oh,
Hood.
she loves hoodie now. How did you learn about hoodie? Where you get that? Uy, you like to have more hoodies now?
Yeah.
Oh,
10.
10 hoodies?
100.
10 hundreds. Aloy, kinakabahan.
100.
10 kinakabahan ako sa kanya kasi gusto niya yung mga hoodies, mga pants na ganito. Tingnan nyo, oh. Naku, sana hindi siya magaya kay Tia Buyag.
Mama, it would just spread out of my face.
Oh, wait, we need to go like this. But at least may Hello Kitty. Baliktad. The Hello Kitty is on this room. So I need to take off your Hello Kitty here because it's the other side. So it's better. Yan. Ayan. At least may Hello Kitty siya. Yan na po siya. Oh, yan na po yung gustong-gusto niya. Yung
How
mga...
about you just put it on my hoodie?
Yeah, I put it in my hoodie. In your hoodie. Pero wag naman po sana. I don't think so. Hi, baby ko. You're so cute, love.
I want to go to Mario.
Mario what?
Marriott Hotel.
Marriott Hotel. Why? Why?
It's already been a year I've been to
Nah.
Marriott Hotel.
Why you wanna go to Marriott
It's
Hotel?
already been a year.
Why? Why you wanna go there? You want to swim?
Yeah.
Mom and daughter. Look here. We put here heart in our shadow. Yeah. Oh, it's not even heart. So like that. Yeah. Ano ko sa trabaho? Yeah. Okay, go outside. Yes, very welcome. Very welcome. Nagpapasalamat. It's okay. Ay! Patay na. You're welcome. You're welcome. Katuwa ang mga aso eh. Ayan, dito na po ako at mag-start na po tayong mag-work. Hi! Ayan, tapos na po tayo magtrabaho. At my daughter is so good. Very good girl. Super behave. That's why andito tayo ngayon sa city because I'm giving her some
McDonald's.
some treats. Dahil ang bait ng ating anaking. Baby,
Where's my plaster?
in my bag. So,
Don't break it.
no, I will not break it. Hi, so she is she's carrying her bag because she's a for-sure kind. OMG. So, nito na tayo sa city, guys. Yeah, okay, come. Right side. The right side. Whew. Become, I will carry your bag, B. It's so heavy for you.
Yeah.
But not your jacket.
Oh, I forgot.
Careful lang ga. Yan, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa city. And I'm giving a treat to this very behaved little girl. Dahil napakabait niya. Na? Behave lang po siya sa work. At it's time for a treat kay Arya kasi napakabait na bata. Very behave. And while I was working, she did something incredible. Look at this. Wow, amazing, very creative. She made her own plaster. Maybe she will have her own company
Mama, can I have my
next
bag,
time.
please?
Oh, she gonna show. No, because they gonna have headache, and she will show you more things. What you gonna show for them? And I'm sorry. I put here my slipper, and the thing that there, I think I put. Okay, what is that?
Like the phone. Like the phone. What's wrong? It's crumbled.
Oh, sorry, because I put in your bag.
I said don't put it in my bag. I said don't put it in my bag.
Yeah, what should I do?
Just bring it with your hands.
Oh, I have a lot of in my hand, and my hands are full.
Mama, it's not.
Can I put my slipper here?
No.
Okay. Where should I put my slipper?
Mama,
Okay.
if you
so-
put it on my bag, the sea will be gone.
Okay. Look.
No,
Oh.
but the sea.
I want
You
the
just
sea.
put it the back.
I'm so
Now I
sorry.
have to glue it.
Oh, here's the sea.
Now I
You
have
did
to
this?
glue it.
I can glue it. I will help you because I was the one who did. Yeah, I'm sorry about it.
And I also make my equation. Look.
Wow. Can you show to them, please? What is that? Oh, it's mathematics. OMG. Ah, hello. Dankeschön. Okay, our food is here. Thank you. So here. This is what Arya made today. What is this, Arya? Cell phone? A cell phone.
So you have to unlock the password only with letters.
Oh.
Then you can just have open it like this. And Mama,
Yeah. Oh, wow. Ano tawag ito? Yung ituklok-tuklok mo? The screen? Ano na the
I
screen?
still have to build it, but it's later
Ah,
when
okay.
I'm at home.
Yeah. See, tatapusin daw niya mamaya sa
We don't
bahay.
have papers right now.
Oh, yeah. Ayan, kakain na po kami.
Only markers.
And, napapansin nyo yung aking nail polish ay color black na po siya.
They already saw that.
Yeah, I forgot to tell them to give them details about my nail polish. But it's not really important, pero nagpa-change po ako ng kulay. And alam nyo, meron siyang white thing here. Magnet palang ginagawa nila dito. Grabe, amazing. They put magnet, that's why it's like this. It's like a galaxy. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, kain mo
What's
na.
galaxy anyways?
Galaxy in the universe there, in the sky. So, let's eat, guys. Kain mo na yung anak ko. It's a treat for her because she's a good girl. Kaya! Oh my God! Dito kami sa labas. So good. Yan po siya, oh. Oh, sorry. You know that song?
I don't know that song.
Hala ka, Christmas! Ay, Christmas decor. Oh my God. I feel the Christmas now.
Because it's almost Christmas.
Yeah.
And there's
My
also
God.
that one.
Oh yeah. Naghanda na po sila para sa Christmas. Hala, uy. Oh my God. Ito po yung city namin. Maliit lang siya, pero dito na po lahat. Accessible lahat. Come, let's go inside. Sorry. Hi, pauwi na kami. Hello, Arya. Ito na po yung na-shopping ng bata. Whew. Let's have some haul at home. Hala ka, napagod na siya. Hala ka.
Water.
Okay. Ay, oras na para magpahinga at maglinis ng ating katawan. Pero nakita ko sa ating toilet, sa ating shower area medyo magulo. At parang gusto ko siyang linisan. So, bago tayong mag-shower, ay maglinis ng ating toilet. Ayan o. Kagulo ng ating toilet. Ito pa yung cellphone ko. And, hindi naman siya magulo. Actually, it's normal naman. Pero gusto ko lang linisan yung ating first nating nilinisin ay sa taas. Dahil parang meron na siyang konting cobwebs. So, meron akong panggamit dito. Ayan. Pangtanggal din ito. Actually, this is for dust. Pero pwede na rin para sa mga cobwebs sa iyang taas. O, diba? Kuha ko talaga siya. Oh. Merong dalawang ilaw dito na hindi na umaandar. Parang punder na. Kailangan niyang palitan. Pero okay lang. Kaya meron tayong extra. Ayan siya. Actually, pang picture yan para maganda yung light. Pero big help sa atin dahil naka-vlog tayo na medyo maliwanag. Ayan. Nawala na yung mga cobwebs dito. Ganyan po tayo maglinis. Diba? Most of us, mostly sa atin na naglilinis. Galing sa taas, from up to down. It's normal naman, no? It's a basic. Dito naabot minsan ng paglilinis. Hindi masyadong dark. Konting cobwebs lang. And then, after that, unahin natin yung ating lavatory. Dito banda, salamin. Dito. Actually, every other day ko nililinis yung ating lababo. So, hindi na siya masyadong madumi. Pero dito, minsan, muna tayong oras. Konti lang naman din. Malinis pa rin naman talaga siya. Pero, i-arrange natin yung ating mga gamit. Nilalagay ko ang lahat ng gamit dito sa ating lababo. Kung meron kayong lagayan, lalagay nyo dyan lahat. Napansin ko, ang dami-dami pala nating toothpaste. Tingnan nyo. Meron tayo ditong iba't ibang klase. 4, ay 5. 6 pala. Kay Arya. Ito, Dental Max, White Glow. Ito naman, ginagamit ko to kasi, di ba, uminom ako ng coffee para sa stains. And meron tayong all-in-one, Odol Med 3. And Colgate, syempre, hindi mawawala. Ay, at itong kay Arya. Sus, ginoo ko. Kadami palang toothpaste na ginagamit natin. Meron pa pala dyan, oh. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo, Colgate. Ay, na lang. Ganyan na lang, oh. Ayan, may maliliit, malalaki. Skin fighter pala yan. So, yan naman ay pang travel. No? I-preserve ko dyan. Kapag, just in case sa travel tayo, meron na tayong maliliit na toothpaste dyan. And, ito pala, akala ng iba, walang tawas sa Germany. Meron po, ang nagturo sa akin ito si Ate Susan ata. Ni Ate Susan. Shout out to Ate Susan. Salamat sa pagsabi na meron pong tawas sa Germany. Mabibili nyo po sa DM, meron po sa Rossmann. Ito ay tawag na Deo Crystal Anti-Transpirant. Just in case kasi palagi po tayo sa mainit. Tapos pawis na pawis, diba, sa klase ng ating trabaho. Kaya naglalagay ako nito. Hindi naman everyday. Minsan-minsan. Ano lang. Iwas lang sa amoy. Actually, hindi po talaga ako magamit niyan. Ngayon lang, bago lang kasi parang napansin ko na kapag nalilis ako, grabe yung aking pawis. Tsaka dun sa pagbaplansya, diba? Grabe yung Kaya sabi ko, magamit ako ng something Deo. Deo na natural lang. And meron din tayong The Ordinary. Nilagyan ko po siya ng cloves. Pero di ko lang ito masyadong ginagamit. Sa kilikili lang to. Minsan lang ginagamit. Flawless Skin. Hala, ubos na pala siya. Yung ating daily facial rejuvenating. Wala na, ubos na. May cloves din siya. Pero mabaho po, ha. Kapag gagamit po kayo ng anything na with gloves, dapat gabi kasi mabaho. Mabaho po talaga. Ito, hindi to sa akin eh. Pang travel ito. Ilagay natin ito dito, bigay. Pang reserve yan. Ito naman, bishist. Pang ano din, pang mukha. I think sa papa to ni Arya na iwan. Yung mga maliliit dito. So yan. Meron din po tayong first wet tissue. Aside po sa toilet paper. Aside sa toilet paper, meron po tayong wet tissue na ginagamit kasi. Yung anakin ko, minsan super dry, kaya ito yung pinupunas ko sa kanya. So, lagay mo natin dito sa gilid. Wait. And, ating clippers, hindi pa ito nagamit. Gamitin natin next time. We have mga extra na mga tissue. Ito siya mabango, Meister. May apple siya na bango, kaya ito yung ginagamit ko. Every time, pagkatapos ng aming toilet, ito nalagay ko sa bowl kasi mabango siya. Pero yung nalagay din sa ating glass, meron tayong glass Reiniger. Teka na, saan yung isa? Ayan. Ito mas gusto ko kasi medyo hindi siya mabaho ba? Hindi masakit sa ilong. Ayan. Ganyan lang. And then, meron tayong dalawang pamunas. Ito sa basa, ito naman sa dry. Yeah! Para sa mga kalak ito. Ganyan. Kahit ano lang ilalagay dito sa malinis. Pero pag glass Reiniger lang talaga. O minsan, yung ganito basahan, initin mo yun, mainit na tubig. At kapag may mga matitigas na rin na mga dumi, ito ginagamit ko. Yung Clorox, that Clorox. Ito nag-yellow na siya. Tapos, i-brush ko. Actually, kapag maglilinis kayo, mainam na meron pong gloves kasi napakatapang ng chemical dito. Pero ngayon wala akong gloves. Kaya naubusan na ako ng gloves. Bibili pa. Yan, di ba? Nawala na yung yellow niya. Ganun lang kadali. Tapos punasan nyo lang ng dry. Yan o. Yan o. Puting-puti na po yung ating toilet. Yung iba dito ay design na po yan. Kaya ganyan. Sa tiles siya. Ulitin natin yung ating glass kaya medyo may backup. Yan, grabe naka-shiny yung ating glass. Bago natin ilagay yung ating mga gamit ay pupunasan ko siya. At magtatanggal tayo ng ibang mga products kaya parang ang dami. Yung lotion for Arya. Ito, tapon ito kaya wala naman itong laman. The ordinary. Ito, hindi naman masyadong ginagamit. Sa baba na lang ito. Since tapos na tayo maglinis dito banda, ito naman tayo sa shower area. Pero gusto ko pong sagutin yung katanungan na may mga nagtatanong po kung nasaan na. Nasaan na po ang aking mga anak. Dalawang lalaki ko. Sila po ay hindi na po nakatira sa amin. Dahil diba, ni-give up ko na po yung custody ng mga bata nung naglipat tayo pa Berlin. Nawala ko na po yung custody nila. At hindi naman po ko nagsisisi dahil hindi po sila nadamay sa kaguluhan naming dalawang mag-asawa. At least safe sila, no? At wala silang na-experience, narinig na mga bad words or mga trauma-trauma. Clear na po sa inyo na wala na po sa puder ko yung mga anak ko. Alam nyo naman po yan. Nakatira po sila sa kanilang papa kasama kanilang stepmom. Pakabait ang kanilang stepmother. And yung kanilang sister, ng anak-anak ng papa nila. Pero, since andito na po tayo nakatira sa Bonn, dito po sila sa city na to, same kami ng city, ay palagi po natin silang vini-visit na napupunta tayo doon sa kanila weekend, sometimes weekdays. Ang problema, ay hindi naman siya problema, kundi I respect them kasi minsan may mga time na ayaw nila magpa-video, ayaw nila sumali sa vlog, kaya it's okay, wala problema sa akin kasi mas importante yung gusto ng mga anak ko, yung privacy nila na hinihingi kaysa sa mag-content, kaysa sa money. Because I am working, I'm making vlog, I'm doing YouTube para sa kanila naman, diba? Pero kung hindi nila gusto yung nadi-disturb yung kanilang mind kung sasali sila sa video, eh, for what? Bakit pa ako magtatrabaho, mag-vlog kung hindi para sa kanila kung maridisturbo sila. So, sabi ko, it's okay mga anak, kung ayaw nyo, ayaw nyo. Pero minsan, may time na gusto nila, yan, binivideo ko sila, sinasalay ko sila sa vlog. And of course, kahit po nasa ibang bahay na sila nakatira sa papa nila, ay nagbibigay po ako financially. Nagbibigay tayo ng child or children's allowance, alam mo, Kinderunterhalt dito sa Germany. Actually, hindi po ako required na magbigay sa kanila at hindi po nanghihingi yung mga anak ko ng allowance from me at yung tatay nila, hindi rin po. It's my will, my free will na magbigay monthly. Kasi para saan pa ako nag-video, nag-vlog, saan pa ako nag-work everyday kung hindi para sa kanila, di ba? So everything na ni-work hard ko is para sa mga anak ko, sa pamilya ko, syempre. At syempre, kung may mga extras is pwede nating maitulong. So, yun po yung aming setup ngayon. Kaya sa mga nagtataka, kung nasaan yung mga anak ko, nandun po sila sa kanilang papa, they are doing good. And proud na proud nga ako sa aking panganay, si Tipoy, dahil nakapasa po siya to have a red belt sa taekwondo. At hindi lang po siya taekwondo, kundi nagpatuloy pa rin po siya sa kanyang pagiging yung fire bear or young firefighter sa aming city. So that means, for example, mag-swimming siya. Kung gusto niya mag-swimming, free po siya. Meron po siya mga benefits. And kung magiging teenager na siya, mga 16 ganun, kapag gusto niya nang mag-first shine, babayaran po yan ng government dahil po volunteer siya as firefighter sa city namin dito ngayon. And of course, si Steven, very proud din po ako sa anak ko dahil ngayon po ay, although nag-stop siya sa pag-taekwondo kasi dalawa yan sila, nag-stop siya pero patuloy pa rin siya sa kanyang laro ng soccer. Maraming siyang laro, may mga championship, ganun. Pero lately is nagkasakit siya, so hindi siya nakasama. Pero hopefully na maging better na siya, ay makasali na siya sa laro. And next time, siguro i-vlog natin na with permission sa anak ko ha. Siguro mag-vlog tayo kung kailan siya maglaro, mag-play. So yan po yung update sa aking mga anak na mga lalaki. And tuwang-tuwa ako, thanks ka dahil hindi siya pinabayaan, hindi sila pinabayaan. Na kahit nagkawendang-wendang na yung nanay niya. Pero ang mga anak ko ay nagpatuloy pa rin sa buhay. At sobrang thankful, grateful ako. At hindi ko pinagsisihan na bumalik dito sa aming city sa Bonn. So yan lang po yung update. At mag-start na rin po ako itong maglinis. Siyempre, unahin pa rin natin yung taas. Ay nga pala, ito pala na shampoo ba? Effective siya. Pero ni-stop ko, alam niyo kung bakit. Tumataas dumadami yung buhok ng aking tito. Tingnan nyo, kumakapal siya. Kaya ni-stop ko siya. Pero effective po talaga siya. Parang kumapal ngayon. Hindi lang makita ngayon kay oily yung aking buhok. Kaya grabe yung pawis-pawis ang daming ginawa.
My looks are just a projection of what I think about myself. I become more beautiful and more shiny each and every day. I love the person I see in the mirror. I choose to see the divine perfection in every cell of my body. As I love me more, I allow others to love me. I am love and I am compassion. Deficiencies transform into love and acceptance. Right here, right now, I choose to honor my beauty, my strength, and my unique way of being. I love the way I feel when I take care of me. Today, my own well-being is my main priority. My life's goal is to share with others the best parts of me. Today, I offer the world the gift of love, passion, joy, and my talent. Right here, right now, I start moving towards my life's purpose. I am worthy of love and respect. I deserve good people around me. What my life purpose is only decided by me.
Thank you so much for the good health. Thank you for another wonderful day with my daughter. And you continue to bless us, also quiet in that time. And please guide us and protect us. And any harm